Sir, are you speaking?
No, not now. Good evening. We'll wait for
Okay.
5 minutes, then we'll start. If anyone having any doubt, then they can ask. If session is
No,
not
sir.
going, yeah. If session is not going before or after the session also, 5-7 minutes, anyone can ask the doubts if we have. Otherwise, we can wait for this now, 3-4 minutes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Samarth. So any doubt you can ask. Otherwise, we'll wait for 2 to 4 minutes. Then we'll start at sharply at 7 o'clock. So tomorrow will be test of polynomials, and same like we had last Sunday, 10 questions, all MCQs, and from completed portion, and half an hour time. Slowly we'll increase the speed now from our next sessions. Please turn on the video. If you have genuine concern, then only turn off the video. Otherwise, it's very important. So Chanchal and others who have recently joined, for them now please this now download all the classwork PDF from Google Classroom. Link I have shared in our this now WhatsApp group. So from there now you can download and save in your local laptop somewhere and go through those PDF, those tricks, because total already we have seen this was trick number, this is trick number 8. So before that we have completed 7 tricks, 6 to 7 tricks. In the last session we had 7th and 8th number trick. Today we'll see a few more tricks, or we can say shortcuts. So now all the tricks we can go through from the classwork PDF. We have this now I have uploaded in Google Classroom. In that you can find any difficulty, then please ask. But first please go through those PDF. Fine. Now we'll start. See, this was 8th number trick, I think. 8th number. See, before that we have seen multiplication with 15. So this was 7th number trick, multiplication of any number with 15, and 7th number. For all the tricks we are this now doing 12 questions. That is our, we can say, standard. This once again you can solve these 12 questions as a homework without seeing the answer. And if I get time now, I will share some more questions as homework. See, 7th, then we'll have now 8th number trick. Here we can write 8th. This is 8th number. What we can name for this one? 8th number. See, this was basically now mostly double half method only. Double half. We can, in case we have, 25, then we can directly multiply with 4 and divide by 4. Why? Because in 25, 25 4 is 100, 25 4 is 100. So we can, in case we are getting 25 value, directly we can multiply with 4 and divide by 4, because directly we'll get 100 value. Otherwise, mostly we have double half method only. So for this trick, we will write for 8th number. Double half method. But in this case, what is the limitation? So one number should be ending with 5. 0 is not, we can say, one number means non-zero number. we have to find. Now one number will be there out of these two numbers which we have to multiply. So one number will be ending with 5. One number will have this now ones place or tens place. Non-zero number will end with 5. Then we can apply this trick. So 5 question we have seen, and remaining 7 question we'll see in today's session. Correct. So this was trick number, or we can say shortcut number 8. Eighth number, and we can say double half method. We'll continue. Once we understand the trick now, then very important to quickly solve the question. Let me write the question. So this will be sixth number, because already we have seen fifth question, 5 questions. Sixth number. Suppose we have value. Quickly everyone will solve, and first 3 I will announce. I will take out the name of first 3 students. In chat or directly you can say the answer. Not an issue. Same method for this one.
Sir, can you explain double half method, because in the last class I was not able to listen properly.
No problem. See, I got answer from this now Rashul. Correct answer. Correct answer Pratibha also. See, let me explain. See, in this method, this first 3 Rashul, Pratibha and Pratyusha correct. All the others are also right. See, in this method, we first notice the number which is out of these two numbers. We have to first find the number which have ending value 5. Means non-zero number, 0 will we can exclude, and ending with 5. So this is the number ending with 5. So we have identified this number, and simply we will double this number. So what is double of 55? Double of 55 will be 110, and 10 will come as it is. Double of 55, 50 double 100. So 55 double will be 110. 10 will be as it is. And math rule we know this: if you double this one, then we'll half this value. Double half method. That's why. And now we can easily multiply this one. Double 0 will be as it is. 11 into 12. 11 12 already we know the shortcut 132. This we know now. 11 12. We write 1 2, and in middle we write addition of 1 2. That is 3. So in shortcut, other shortcuts are also used sometimes. So very easy then.
Sir, should we double the number ending with 5? Sir?
Correct. Right. Because
Okay.
this is because 5. Why 5? Because 5 double is 0. That's why we get simpler value. Directly if you go, that's why we say this as shortcuts, because if you directly multiply with 25, then also we can do 5 4 20 0 carry 2 cross we know 20, and then 10 30 32 32 carry 3 10 3 13 1 3 2 0 we got, and then we can put 1 0 more. So the same answer, but time will be reduced. Every trick, every shortcut we are doing just to reduce time further and further. Means in very less time, how we can solve the.
It's
Yes.
560.
Sorry, voice is not clear.
Sir, it would be 560, then should we double?
560 also same method. Say 560 we can do, but see double half method we can apply. If it is going to simplify this equation, then we can use. Suppose you are saying 56 into 24, 560 into 24. Same method we can apply. This we suppose now we can reduce this one, because now every time we have to see which option we are getting. Suppose 560 double if you do, so what is double of 560 to 112, and then 0, then half of this will be 12. So 112 into 12. Basically, in this method now, easier will be directly multiply with 56 and 24. Always we have to choose easy method, because 560
not double. We should not double 24.
Why double? Only one number double, and then we have to divide with half. No, one number double, and then one number reduced to half. That's why now in maths this will be same. Double half. See, a into b are two numbers.
Okay.
A into b are two numbers. So we will multiply 2 with a, so 2a will become, and this b will divide by 2, so that number remains 2 cancel, remains ab. That is the method. So doubling of the number which you are having ending with 5. we can identify, because this trick is applicable basically in those numbers which have one number ending with 5, either double number, double digit, triple digit, four digit, any number of digits ending with 5. Non-zero number will be having ending with 5 value. Then we can double this value and reduce second value will be reduced to half. In this question of 56 into 5, 16, 24, double half method will not be applicable. Directly we can multiply 56 and 24 by this the state cross state multiplication. 6 4 24, 4 carry 2 and 20, and then 12 20 12 32 and 2 34, 4 carry 3 10 3 13 and 1 0 1 3 4 4 0 will be the final answer, because correct, this is the right value, and this will be more lengthy, we can say, to not required. So number any, say out of these two number, any number ending with 5, then we can use double half method. Otherwise directly if we can use, we know that, see, we know the already we know the many tricks of multiplication, so directly we can use state cross and state multiplication. This was trick number third or fourth, I think, so we have already seen this trick, so we can use that method, not double half method. Fine. So everyone got the right answer for this question, right? Xavier, Mohammed, Udav, Pratusha, Tanzila, Pratik, all they are correct. Rashul also correct. Now see next question. This was, we can say, sixth number, seventh number question. Suppose we have value, big value we will take now. 13500 into 64. Okay, Steve. Tenzila, I got answer from Steve and Tenzila. Vedika, Steve, you can check once again because answer is not matching with other students.
Sir, did you get my answer?
This Vedika, no? Vedika speaking.
Yes, sir.
I got your answer in chat. Same thing I was saying. For Tenzila, Vedika, Rashul, Praharshan, Uddhav, Zevian, all are having same answer, means correct. Same answer means correct. Person, you can write person answer is also correct. Pratyusha, you can check once again. Others having same value. Same value means Tanvi also same, Pratibha also, and Samarth also means correct answer. So this ending with 5, this is the number. We will double this number. 135 double is 270. We know by basics, and double zero will keep as it is. Into this number we reduce to half. This will be 32. So 27 into 32. Just we have to perform this multiplication. So 27 32 we know the trick. State 14 4 carry 1. Then 4, and this is 21 4 25 26 carry 2, 6 to 8 864 we have this value, and how many 0? Triple 0. 864 is the value. One second. 864 and then triple 0. Correct. So 864 and triple 0 is the answer for this question. Eight 64 triple 0. Right, Sarah, Ashish, Steve, everyone is correct. Chanchal, you got the answer. 864 triple 0. Now we'll see next question, 8th number. So question is 650 into easy question 32. Anyone got the answer? Okay, Vedika, Pratusha, first one was Steve again. Okay, then this Tenzila. Okay, so first students are Tenzila, Steve, and Rashul. Okay, good. Everyone having same answer. That means correct. Then with Tushar.
2800.
Pratibha, please check once again. 20800 is the answer. So this is the number ending with 5. 1300. 130. 65 double is 130. 65 double is 130. 10 will keep as it is. Half of this value will be 16. So basically 130 is right, and one more 0 at the end, and then this will be half 32. 32 have 16. 13, 16 basically we have to multiply 13 into 16. So easily we can do in the rough state 18, 8 carry 1, 9, 1, 10, 0 carry 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2 carry is 1. So easy question 20800 will be the answer. Right, Ashish?
Sir, can you explain this once again?
Okay. See, same method. So number ending with 5 will be
Yes,
this
sir, I
one.
want to know.
Number ending with 5 will be this number. So double of this will be, see, we'll focus on 65. So 65 double is, we can multiply 10, 0 carry 1, 13, 130. And this 0 will be as it is. I will bring from top. So this will be 1300. And this will reduce to half. One number double, other number half. 32 half is 16. So we'll multiply 13 and 16 by this method. Now we'll have 13 into 16 multiplication. So we will use this method. State means carefully see. Maybe you're finding difficulty in multiplication this number. 6 3 this trick we have already seen in our previous sessions. 6 3 18, 8 carry 1. Carry 1 I will write separately. So 6 3 18 carry 1. Then we'll do cross multiplication. What is cross multiplication? Cross means 6 1 6 and 3 1 3. 6 1 6 and 3 1 3. Then we'll add 6 3, 6 1 6 and 3 9. 9 1 carry will add 9 1 10 0. Carry will be again 1. Then state will multiply. State means 1 1 1 and carry will be 1 added 2. So this is 16 to 13 is 208 and 20 will bring as it is. So 20800 is the answer. So what is the method for this? Straight multiplication. Cross will add carry also, then state.
Okay, sir, understood. Thank
And
you.
6 3 18 8 carry 1, then state 18 carry 1, 6 3 9 1 10 0 carry 1 1 1 2 208. 4 questions are still remaining. We'll see 4 more questions for this trick and then we'll move on next one. 9th number 135 into 98. We'll try this one. I got answer from Steve. Xavier, please check once again because values are correct, but zeros is zero also we have to say. 2 more zeros will come. Rashul correct. Pratusha. Pratusha also please try once again. Tushar answer is correct. Pratibha also can try once again. See, speed is
Sir,
important.
8230 is the answer, right?
132300. Most of you are getting 132300 because
Sir, 000.
I have not solved yet. So 000 will be there. Answer will be 132300.
Sir, I got 823,000.
Okay. See, let me solve. So this is now one ending with 5. This one. So 135 double is 270. 135 double 270. This 20 will come as it is, and this will be half 49. So basically we have to multiply 27 and 49. Simply 27 and 49. So we'll do by or shortcut method. So 9 7 63 3 carry 6. Then state. Then after the state cross. 6 is the carry. 9 to 18 and 7 4 are 28. 28 and 18 is 28 and 38 8 46 and 6 52. Carry 5. Carry will be now 5 and this 8 5 13. So 1323 is the multiplication of 27 and 49. This 30 will be as it is. 132300 will be the right answer. So Sarah, once again you can try please. And Xavier is now right and having right answer. Uddhav also correct. Ashish, everyone having correct answer. Pratibha also please try once again. And Samarth also please try once again. 2749 say in this trick one more trick will be applicable most often. This is the double, this is a multiplication of 2 digit number. We know state cross state. This we can use to get 1323 value. Everyone got the answer? In case you are getting right answer, no, then
Yes, I got.
put mark this now, correct. Tick mark classwork. Otherwise, note the solution. $27.49 will be by this shortcut method. 9763 3 carry 6 18 18 and this 28 46 46 652 carry 5 85 13. So 1323. Done. Now we'll see next question. Suppose value is 165.00 into 72 165.00 into 72. Correct. Xavier, Samarth,
So to
and
get my
Varshan.
answer.
All the three of you, first three students are correct. Pratusha, please try once again. Steve, answer is correct. And Tushar also correct. Tanvi also correct. So first three were for this question. Sarah, and then Rashul and Tenzila, right? Actually, Sarah, in answer, 000 will be there, so Sarah can verify the answer. Other values are correct. So everyone you have shared no right answer. Mostly Ashish can also try once again. Ashish and Pratibha, mostly now you are getting wrong answer. Only why? Because most probable reason will be doing quickly. But now steps and this process to be followed. Most important is to get the right answer, even if we take more time. Because in competitive examination we have negative marking also. So better to take time and this now get the correct answer. Chanchal also correct answer. Ashish can once again try, and Pratibha. Others are having right answer. So see, number ending with 5 will be this one. So 165 double will be 160 double is this now 320. So this will be 330,
330.
and 20 will come as it is. See 160 nearby values we can check. 160 double is 150 double 300, 160 double 320, 165 double 330, and this 20 will come as it is, and we reduce this to half. So now we can what method we have applied. So best method will be to get this value very quickly. 1000 will separate 3 zeros, and we write 3 into 3. This 33 we can write 3 into 11 into 36 because we know multiplication with 11. Now we'll multiply 36 into 3. 1000 will be as it is. 11 will be always as it is, and this 36 3 is 108. 6 3 is 18, 8 carry 1, 9 1 10. Now we can use 11 shortcut because 11 shortcut we know very quickly we can write 0 0. So 8 plus 0 8, and 8 plus 0 8, 8 plus 0 8, this is dot means 0, 8 plus 0 8, 8 plus 0 8, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1 again, and we'll put 3 0. So this is the answer, no? 1188 correct answer or not? 16500 into 72, 1188 correct answer. So now this is the very we can say by this method we can find quickly because 33 36 also we can multiply, no issue, but 3 into 11 into 36 also we get the answer. 36 3 is 108 we know, and we can use 11 multiplication with 11 method to multiply 108 with 11. Fine, correct, no? Anyone having doubt? 1188 000 will be the answer. Please note the solution. Ashish and Pratibha. Those who didn't got the answer. Ashish, any doubt?
No,
30,
sir.
33, 36 also we can multiply. See, all the methods are correct. All the methods are fine if you are getting right answer in less time. See, 33, 36 also we can multiply, no issue. But this also we can do. In terms of 11 also we can split. 33, 36 will be 6 3 is 18, 8, carry 1, cross. So 6 3 18, carry is 1, 6 3 18, and this 9. 18, 9, 27, 1, 28, 8, carry now 2, and 3 3 are 9 to 11. Double 11, 88 will be the value, and 000 will be as it is. So from that simple multiplication also we can find the value, or we can split in terms of 11. Both are equally right. Now two more questions from this topic. Suppose we have value 185 0 into say this will be, let me take 22 basically, simple only, 1850 into 22. Samarth got the answer, Rashul also. Xavier. First three are Samarth, Rashul and Xavier. Good. And answers are matching, that means correct answer. So Persian answer is not right, so please check once again. 40700 is the answer. 40700. So Pratibha, once again
Yes, sir.
answer is wrong. Persian also. And those who are not getting 40700, please try once again. Very important to get the right answer. So number ending with 5 will be this one. Double will be 180 double is 360. 180 double is 360. This will be 370. 0, this 0 will come as it is, into 22. So how we can perform here? We can write in terms of 11. So 2 into 11 into 3700. That will be easy method. So 11 into 37 to ja 74. 37 to ja 74 double 0. So we know the multiplication of 11. 0 0 we can assume here. 4 7 4 11. 4 7 4 11, carry 1, 7 0 7 1 8, and 00 will be the value. See which is the answer? 40700 or any. 1 second. 37 74 4,
Before.
then 11, carry 1. See 81400 will be the answer, no? 1850 into 22. So 1 second, something is wrong. 1 second. 3700 is right. Oh, we have not reduced this to half. Sorry. Answer is right answer 40700 only, no problem. So we'll follow our method. This will reduce to half, 11. That's why we have to give some time we have to give for solving. Not so quickly that we get wrong answer. So we can multiply with 11. We know the shortcut 7 and 3. In between we write 00 will be as it is. Addition of this now 7 3 10 0, carry 1 will be added 4. So proper answer will be 40700. Correct. 40700 is the right answer. 3700 into 11. 7 3, addition of 7 3 10, 0, carry will be 1, and carry is added always to previous value, मतलब initial value, or we can say left hand side. So 40700 is the answer. One last question. 19500 into 66. So Tangela, Steve, you are using calculator or you are doing by yourself? Because 3 seconds is very less time actually. Answers, let me confirm the answer because let's try, means let others also try. Wait for at least 30 seconds. 30 seconds, we can say, is a standard time we can have for one question. It's half a minute.
Sir, it takes more than 1 minute, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute. Actually, just in 3 seconds, some students replied, and those students are
That's not possible, sir, actually. No one can do like that.
because because if you're using calculator, no, then it's fine, but it's difficult in 3 seconds.
Sir, is my answer correct?
So 1287000, right? Because most of you are having same answer, 1287000. 1287000, right answer. All of you are having same answer. See, so number ending with 5 will be this one. 180 double is 360, and 190 double will be 380. So 195 double will be 390, 390, and this 20 will come back as it is. 195 double 390 into 66 half will be 33. So basically now we can multiply 39 into 33. Better to write in terms of 39 into 1000 into 3 into 11, because always in terms of 11. So we can multiply 39 with 3. 9 3 are 27, 7 carry 2, 3 3 9 to 11 into 11 into 1000. Now we can use shortcut trick for 11. We can use dot means 0 0. 7 plus 0 7, 718 112, 1 plus 0 1, and 000. So 1287000 will be the value. Sometime it takes, means at least half of minute, no, it will take solving one question. 1287000 is the right answer. So those who got this answer, no, by proper calculation without calculator, then they can put tick mark. Because till 12th standard, till actually we can say till JE, in engineering, no, in BTech we have this now calculators are allowed, but before that calculators are not allowed. So always calculator
Sir,
from
in
mobile.
IT also not allowed, right? JE exam.
JE exam not allowed.
Oh
JE,
my God.
whether it is B.Arch means for architecture or BTech. So till JE exam means at least now 5 years, 4 to 5 years you have to study. Means 3 years basically, 11, 12th. After say you have entered in 10th, so 10th, 11, 12, 3 years this one, and suppose someone takes a drop of 1 year, so 3 to 4 years basically you have to study without using the calculator. So never ever use the calculator, whether it is in mobile or laptop or any this now physical calculator. That is very
Yes,
important
sir.
to be honest with ourselves. So this was shortcut number 8. We can say double half method, but in case of 25 we can multiply with 4 and 4 also. Divide with 4 and multiply with 4. So now we'll move to next one. This was 8th number. Now we'll move to 9th number trick. So 9th number is basically multiplication of two numbers which are 3-digit number, because it takes time, but we see lot of question, lot of this in problems where sometimes we face multiplication of 2 to 3-digit number. Like suppose first example, one simple case will take 111 222. So we can multiply in one line. 111 222, we can multiply in one line. So anyone knows the trick before, already knows the trick, then they can explain. Otherwise, Bharti Vidya. So Vedika, you know, or anyone knows this trick, how we can multiply triple digit number, 2 triple digit number in one line.
No, sir.
Sir, if it is in the same row or like here, it will be triple. We can do it like triple one into 2. So 1 2 3 2 1 into 2 will
Suppose
be
value
also
is,
possible.
okay, suppose value is 1 2 3, then
That's not possible now.
see, we'll see in one line basically how we can solve this multiplication. Carefully understand. First we'll take like our previous method, state multiplication. State will be 3 to the 6. In one line we'll get the answer 3 to the 6, and always it will take less time than our traditional method 6. Then small cross, we say this one. Small cross means this one for first two positions value. So this will be 4, 2 to the 4 and 6, 2 to the 4 and 3 to the 6, 4 and 6, 4 6, add 10, 0, carry 1. These are small multiplication, small crossing, we can say small crossing. Then we'll see first one was 3 to the 6 state multiplication, then small crossing. Small crossing means this one, 4 and 6, 10, 0, carry is 1. Now we'll do big crossing. What is big crossing? 1 2, 1 to 2, then corner value 3 to 6, 1 to 2 and 3 to 6. What is 1 to 2 and 3 to 6? 6 to 8. Basically 3 to the 6 and 2 1 2, 6 to add we have to add also, say 8, and we will multiply this one. State middle value state. So 2 to the 4. So 2 1 2, 2 1 2 first one, then 3 to the 6, then middle values 2 2 4. What is the value? 8 4 12 plus 1 carry 13 3. 13 3. I will explain once again after this. 13 3 carry will be again 1. Now we'll do small crossing now once again. So 2 1 2 and 2 2 4. 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 4 to 6, 4 to 6, 2 1 2 and 2 2 4, 4 to 6, 6 1 7. And at the end once again we will do state multiplication, that is 2 1 2. Let me explain once again. What is the method here? We'll do first state, then small crossing, then big crossing, we can say this is big crossing, then small crossing, then state. Initially it seems very difficult, but long run mein it is, we can say, for normal method now if you do always it takes half of the time, very less time you will get. See once again we'll see once again 3 to the 6 state, 3 to the 6 we write as it is, then a small crossing. So 2 to the 4 means adjacent values, 2 to the 4 and 3 to the 6, 4 and 6 we have to add 10, 0, carry will be 1. Now we'll do big crossing. Big crossing means 1 to the 2 and 3 to the 6, 6 to 8, and this state will be multiplied 8 4 12, 8 4 12, 12 and 1 13, 3, carry will be again 1. Then once again we'll do small crossing. After big crossing again small crossing is for these two values, for these two rows, we can say for these values we'll do once again small crossing. So this will be 2 1 2 and 2 2 4, 2 1 2 and 4, 4 to 6, 6 1 carry 7, and at the end once again state means 2 1 2, carry is not there, 1 is not there, carry 2 1 2, then 2. If we check, then answer will be same, 27306, 1 2 3 into 222, so 27306. Anyone having any doubt, or shall I repeat once again?
Sir, please repeat once again. It's pretty hard to do it. It's a long theorem.
See, once again I will see one more question, because this time we'll see one more question.
Yeah. Take one
Yes.
other example.
Other example we'll see, and see this time. So any simple value, let me take 2 3 4. Let me write in some spacing 2 3 4, and suppose we have 1 and then 2 and 1. You see one case, we'll multiply this one now. Same technique. So first one is simple state multiplication like we did for 2-digit number. So 4 1 4, no doubt in this. 4 1 4. Then we'll do a small crossing. Small crossing means nearby value we will multiply. This is basically small crossing means adjacent values basically we have to multiply. So this will be 3 into 1 and 4 into 2. What is the